Hey guys, hello. Why am I always dancing? Anyway, hey guys, hope you guys are having a great day today. So I didn't pick up the camera once to film today because we didn't do a whole lot. I cleaned the kitchen, and I don't know how many times I can show y'all that I cleaned this kitchen, so I don't want to keep showing y'all the same thing, but I am cleaning something that's pretty fabulous. I'm cleaning my beauty room right now. So I figured I didn't call you. Go away. It's Jacob. Anyway, so yeah, I am cleaning my beauty room right now because I was gonna film a makeup video for you guys, but I realized I can't work in chaos. I cannot work in mess. And ever since my sister came here, my vanity has just been, it's a mess, y'all. It is so bad. So don't judge me, and I won't judge you. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna clean my vanity. I'm gonna let you guys clean it with me. My nails are crazy. Noah painted my nails yesterday. And goodbye. Let's see, and then I'm gonna show you guys some of my favorite makeup products that I just cannot live without. So yeah, let's get straight into it. It's a mess. I have a light on just so it'd be a little bit lighter in here for y'all. I'm gonna clean all this off, and I'm gonna clean all this off. So this is like my vanity, and then this is like my workspace for the vanity. Yeah, I just want to sit down and talk to you guys. I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod. I'm gonna clean off all this mess. I actually got another piece of cloth that's gonna go down here that I think is gonna be way better. And then, you know, one day I'm gonna give y'all a tour of this room because I know y'all don't even know what half this room looks like. I know y'all just see this, all this beautifulness, and I still need to finish this. That's why all these flowers are down there. I'm gonna do that one day. Anyway, so yeah, let's get started cleaning. I got my light on, y'all, so I'm sorry if I'm looking a little ghost and then I get back and then I'm ghost. Anyway, so yeah, let me put y'all on the tripod so we can clean. All right, so first off, this is my favorite moisturizer. It is the Pond's cream. That's my favorite. Gotta keep them edges together. This is my absolute favorite because it does not make your edges hard, and it smells like coconuts. Like it smells so good. And then of course the brush. So another thing, when I'm cleaning my vanity, I try to clean everything off as well. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Sun Dip Kit, and this is my highlight kit. This has now become my favorite highlighter, and I'll show you guys what I was using before, but look at the colors in here. One of my favorite palettes. Look how dirty this thing is. I think I've talked about this before. I ordered this, and then they came out with another one that was like shiny, like a different material, so it doesn't get dirty. But this is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. As you can see, I really dig into this palette. I love this palette. It is really one of my favorite. It's not my favorite. It's just one of my favorites. It's one of my favorites, I'm gonna say. But yeah, the colors, I'm not gonna swatch all of these, but I just wanted y'all to see. Oh, look at that. Look at that purple show up like that. Girl, bye. And then this aqua. I haven't been able to use this aqua color, but I do want, oh, girl, look at that. Look at that. Look how that just shows up. Let me see. I'm gonna show y'all another one. So these are my favorite. I'll tell you my favorite colors out of this whole palette. Oh, let's see this one real quick. Yes, God. I love when colors just really pay off. So my favorite in this palette that I use all the time, I'm probably gonna hit pan on, but it really doesn't matter because I have two of these. I have one that I have not touched yet. So this is my favorite for transition color. This is a perfect transition color that I use. Like here, it is like my transitions right here, from here around to here. And then these are all like my lid colors, and these are the shimmer ones. And then I haven't had a chance to use these color ones yet, but I definitely plan to one day when I just get outside the box. I'm kind of a neutral girl, so I really stay up in those areas. So yeah, perfect palette. So then I got this palette from my mother-in-law, and I begged her for this, y'all, but let me show you why. So I finally got it open. So there's this side here, and then there's this bright and vibrant side over here. So this is like a really colorful palette. Here's my second favorite palette. This is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I love this palette, y'all, and it smells like peaches. But this is like my second favorite because it's small. You can throw it in your, I got lashes stuck to the thing. It's small. You just throw it in your bag. There's a mirror. I love palettes that come with a mirror, and I also love palettes that is just small and compact. Let's see, I do have more palettes, but let's see where they are. This is why I'm cleaning, because I can't find anything. Okay, so this, I know you guys can't see, but this is honestly my all-time favorite palette, and they don't even make this anymore. So I picked this palette up at Victoria's Secret when they were having their semi-annual sale. And look at this gold, y'all. You will never find another 24 karat gold like that. Like, that gold is so pigmented. Okay, buddy. That gold is so pigmented. Let me just show y'all this gold real quick. I use this. It is so pretty. For foundation, I pretty much stick to the same foundation. Here is my favorite, and then the Maybelline. And then here I am being Dora the Explorer. So in this jar are foundations that I didn't like my color at one point, so I put some foundations and stuff together to mix it. So this is like a very heavy full coverage foundation. This thing has hair on it, but inside of here is my perfect match foundation. I've talked about this before. This is my absolute favorite primer. This is the L'Oreal Paris Magic Perfecting Base Primer. It is so thick, guys. Like, this is like chalk almost. But what I love about this is that it makes the foundation stick to your skin. So it's like a layer of tackiness that you put on your skin, and then you put your foundation on, and this is the glue that does it. Alright, so here's another DIY, y'all. Y'all know I'm just a DIY queen. So in here, I concocted my own, and this is what I use with this when I'm having like specialty makeup. I just sometimes feel like what they put in the stores is not really what I want, so I take my time to mix up what I consider my perfect concealer. So that's what's in here. A lot of this stuff. So as you can see, I go through these because I have 2 empty ones here. So this is something I have to put on the list. This is a bronzer that I love. This is made by J-Cat, and I pick it up from the beauty supply store. Actually, that's what's up here, the brown stuff that you see. I wasted it. I cracked it because I dropped it, and then I was doing my makeup, and then I was doing like 3 other people's makeup at the same time, and I was in a rush, and that's what's all up here. So this is a crayon from MAC, and I love this because it's kind of like a gloss, but it's like a lip stain slash gloss. I love this because any given day, you know, if you don't want to just have on lipstick, you could just grab these little crayon pens. All right, and then here's another one. I love the lip stains because my husband's always complaining about my lipstick coming off on him, but this is a matte, and I don't really care for matte lips, but this is very vibrant and very bold. What else? Okay, so MAC used to make, look at this, y'all. This is such a mess. Oh my gosh, I got lashes tucked in this thing. So MAC used to make this. I know that most people think I wear gold deposit because I've heard that so many times. Oh, what is that, gold deposit? But it's not. So they used to make this stuff called golden bronze, and I got this about 3 years ago, and they discontinued it. But this is so beautiful, y'all. I really want y'all to see this color. I really wish MAC would bring this back, but I use it as a bronzer or a highlighter. Y'all, look how pretty that is. Look how gorgeous that is. And they don't make this anymore. Oh my gosh, the kids are so loud. So pretty. I love this stuff, y'all. So I don't use it on makeup jobs anymore. I keep it for myself, but this is like a staple. done. Didn't take that long. Probably took me like 30 minutes to do all of that. Yeah, if you have any questions about anything I showed you today, any makeup products that I showed you, please put it down in the description bar. I'll be happy to help you guys if I can. I absolutely love makeup. So now that it's clean, I feel like I can just do my makeup in peace now. All my brushes are clean, all my sponges are clean. I'm sorry y'all didn't see me clean the brushes and stuff, but I just cleaned them off camera and then put them back here. So tomorrow when I'm ready to do my makeup, I'll have a fresh start. One day I'm gonna give you guys a full tour of this room, because one thing y'all don't know is I have a secret stash in here and I don't want to share it just yet. But you guys will actually love it, I know that. But anyway, I think the next thing is I want to ask Babe to repaint this room for me, not the pink but the white, because I have been in here for now 5 years, but this redo that he did was a gift when I had Jacob. So Jacob is now almost 3, so this has been done almost 3 years now, so I feel like it just needs to be touched up. And then I think what I'm going to do is go and have glass cut and put the glass down, because I am ruining the paint job that's on here. So just something I observed today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys tomorrow in V-Live Day 27. Oh my gosh, V-Live Day 27. And just so you guys know, tomorrow is Evelyn's birthday. Birthday, birthday. So make sure you go over and say happy birthday to Evelyn. She's a really good friend, guys. I hope you are enjoying all of our V-Live videos. We have tackled this thing out. And Evelyn, listen, you don't get a break because it's your birthday either, boo, okay? Alright guys, I love you. I hope you guys are having I wish you guys a happy night. I will see you guys bright and early in the morning. Peace. One day I'm gonna paint my nails, y'all.